Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 GT3. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Okay, the hood looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on the front. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. Okay, this fender is fine and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. Okay, this door looks fine, no dents, no scratches. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. The spoiler has no scratches at all and the back bumper is perfect. Take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Okay, this quarter panel is spotless and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. Everything here looks fine in this door. No scratches, no door dings or dents. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender is perfect, not a scratch on it, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Alright, the seat looks fine. Let's take a look at the door panel. The door panel looks perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, perfect. Everything is in good condition. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel buttons and the leather and stitching around the steering wheel are in excellent condition. So the interior of this car is perfect. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.